Welcome everyone to another video. Today we are testing GData antivirus, and this is not a free antivirus. This is a premium version, but we are using the free trial to do this test. And I do have a folder with a bunch of samples of malware, 49 samples in total. We're going to use these to see how well GData does perform against these specific threats. And the procedure will be as follows. In a moment, I will re-enable the protection and we'll let it sit here for just a moment to see if it detects anything on its own, after which we will run a full system scan followed by a direct folder scan, and then if there's any samples left at that point, we'll try to execute them and see if GData can stop them. Please note that Windows is up to date, and we're also going to double check to make sure GData is as well, so we're going to run that right now. And it looks like we are up to date, so at this point let's go ahead and re-enable the protection. And we'll go ahead and sit here for just a moment. Alright, so far nothing has popped up. Let's check our samples folder. Looks like we still have 49 items. So at this point, let's go ahead and run a scan. And we'll let that run. And then we'll be back here in just a moment with the results. Alright, the scan has completed and it came back with 47 results detected and gave us a list here of everything that it found. Let's go ahead and execute actions. And those have now been removed, so let's go ahead and just check our samples folder. And it looks like we have one remaining and one that was not fully removed. So what we're going to do is just scan the samples folder directly just to see if anything changes. And it did not detect that final result, so let's go ahead and try to execute this last one. And we'll see what happens here. And it looks like GData has blocked it, and it went ahead and removed it, and so that one has been stopped. Now, this last one, again, this is one that it detected. It tried to remove. We can see that the size is 0, which means it tried to remove it, but it didn't do a full clean uninstallation. But what we're going to go ahead and do is restart the computer and then run some second opinion scans, so we'll be back here in just a moment. I ran a scan with Malwarebytes and it came back clean with 0 results detected. I ran another scan with Emsisoft, which also came back clean. And finally, I ran a scan with Zamana, which also came back clean. So just a quick recap, GData did remove all but one of the samples upon the original scan, though it is important to note that one of the samples was not cleanly removed, though the threat has been neutralized. And then the final one was stopped upon execution, and so it did stop that threat. So you can take those results and draw your own conclusion. But that's everything for this video. If you have any comments or questions, please post them down below. Thank you very much for watching. Hope you have a great day. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you found it helpful, please go ahead and consider sharing it. And please also consider subscribing to my channel, and don't forget to hit that bell icon to get notifications on future videos.